We'll guide you through how to use WhatsApp Web on your Android phone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. So personally, I use Chrome, so I'll go and open that up. Then what you need to do is come into a URL or an address bar. So I'll click up the top here, and we need to go and type in web.whatsapp.com. Just like so, and go and click on go. Now go and wait for it to load. Now you may not be immediately taken there, and this is because it's using the mobile site. So you need to go and request a desktop site. To do that in Chrome, you click on the three dots in the top right and click on desktop site like so. It will then go and reload, and it should take you to web.whatsapp.com. As you can see, it's now circling, and that is where the QR code will be. We can then go and scan that with another device. So I'll click on link devices and link a device. And just like so, I'm now scanning it and it will say logging in. And as you can see, WhatsApp Web is now loading the chats. It will be quite small as it is made for a desktop site, but you can always go and pinch and zoom in to go and use it better. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.